Hey guys, Travis here, and the video for today is a song out of our Volume 2. It's what we call here the Purple Book. I'm looking at my son over there. He's going to help me in a minute and do another video. This one is by Ben King. It also has two other writers on it, but it is that song that we've all heard, Stand By Me. And it does use all four chords of the ChordBuddy. And as always, I'll do just a verse chorus because it's repetitious. But one thing that's important about this one really does need to use the pop strum, which is the down, down, up, up, down, up, down. When the night has come and the land is dark. See, so it's got that pop strum is what it really needs to be, which that's the most advanced strum pattern that we teach on our ChordBuddy series. But also, hey, if you're just starting out, although the pop strum sounds the best, quarter strum works just fine if you're a beginner. Like, when the night has come and the land, see, I mean, it don't sound as good, but it sounds fine. And you can start with that and then work your way up to the pop strum, okay? It does use all four chords. The chording is in the book, and it's on our website. So also, everybody wants to know every time what I'm playing. This is the Perry Sunburst Dreadnought guitar. Sounds great, plays great. Every one of them, before it leaves ChordBuddy, is set up by me. I play every guitar before it goes out. I want you to be happy with it when you receive it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light you see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. Darling, will you stand by me? Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. And that's Stand By Me by Ben King. It's available in what we call the Purple Book, which is Volume 2 on our website, ChordBuddy.com.